And I'm gonna tell you something very surprising, guys. This actually is pulsating. It kind of vibrates, guys, on my skin. I don't know how to tell you that feeling, but I'm actually surprised and shocked. I thought they have simply included the sentence feel your face pulsate, but it is actually pulsating. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your support towards my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video, I'm going to do a first impression on this Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. It's the world's most powerful facial. This brand Aztec Secret sent this tub of 100% natural calcium bentonite clay to me to test it out, to try it out. So here I am with the first impression of this product. So let's move on. So to give you an introduction on what this product is, this is 100% natural calcium bentonite clay in it and nothing else. No artificial fragrance, no artificial color, it is sun-dried, no animal testing, and it also contains no animal product. So basically what it has is just 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. What we have to do with this clay is that we need to mix water or apple cider vinegar, make a paste out of it and apply it onto our skin, and that's it. So this is basically a face mask powder. You can mix it up with water or apple cider vinegar and apply it. So that is what it is. As you can see, the tub is unopened. I did not open this tub because this is a first impression video. So I did not open this tub. You can see the seal over here. So let me tell you what calcium bentonite clay does to our skin. It detoxifies the skin by deeply cleansing the pores. I am a person with oily skin and I have clogged pores on my nose and over here. So clay masks are my best friend. This calcium bentonite clay is so good for acne and blemishes and blackheads. Most people use this clay as a spot treatment for their pimple. Today I have one and two active pimples and the other ones are like inactive. Today I have 2 active pimples, so let us see what this does. And it is also anti-aging because of its tightening effect. Of course it's in clay mask, so it is expected. So let me read the directions for use and let's move on to the demo. So it says mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar or water. Use a non-metal bowl. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed. Apply it onto your face. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. You will feel a pulling and tightening sensation. Feel your face pulsate. Oh my god, I'm looking forward, guys. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Slight redness of the skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. It removes impurities and dirt from the pores. So I have an oily skin, so I will let it for like 15 to 20 minutes. I don't have a sensitive or delicate skin. So let's mix this. Let me bring the camera for a flat lay close-up so that you can see the mixing process. I don't know where my glass bowls go in. They just disappear from my kitchen. So the direction for use says not to use a metal bowl. So I have taken this glass bowl. Let me open the seal in front of you guys. Okay. Let me stick it right here. So this is how the clay looks like. Yeah, it does not have any smell. So let's start mixing it. I forgot to bring the spoon. So I'm gonna take a spoon. I think this much is enough for my entire face. Yeah. Now I'm going to add some water to make it a paste. I'm not going to make it too thin or too thick. Somewhere in between will be the consistency of this face mask. Now this is too thick. I'm adding some more water. So yes guys, the consistency is perfect. Yes, this is the consistency that I like. And this is the color. It looks like ashy gray color, and it absolutely has no smell or fragrance to it. So let's come apply this face pack together. So I'm gonna put my hair back. So guys, it's been exactly 5 minutes since I applied this mask, and it has already started to dry up. It's quick in drying, and I could feel that tightening sensation on my skin. I couldn't talk much, I couldn't open my mouth because of the tightening sensation. I did not feel any irritation or discomfort in this mask. I feel quite comfortable. Nothing like that. Maybe I need to remove the mask and see if there's any redness, but I don't have a sensitive skin or a delicate skin, so let's see what happens. So it's been exactly 5 minutes. So it's been exactly 20 minutes. This is how my face looks like, and I'm gonna tell you something very surprising, guys. This actually is pulsating. Yes, you heard it right. It does not have the tightening effect alone, but it's also pulsating. It kind of vibrates, guys, on my skin. I don't know how to tell you that feeling, but I'm actually surprised and shocked. I thought they have simply included the sentence "feel your face pulsate," but it is actually pulsating, and I'm honest. I could feel that slight vibration or vibrating, tingling sensation on my skin. Many people think it is just the tightening effect, but it also pulsates. I'm back after washing my face with just water, and this is how my skin looks right now. I have zoomed in so you could see my clogged pores, pimples, dark spots and all of that. That's totally fine. I told you I have 2 active pimples on my skin. So that is this one and this over here. I would say the size has reduced, guys. The size has definitely reduced. And this pimple has started to dry up, and this one is kind of active. This is started to dry up. By tomorrow or day after tomorrow, this is gonna be inactive. This one, the size has decreased. Both of the pimples, the size has decreased. This one is drying up. This calcium bentonite face mask definitely done all the benefits that I told you in the beginning of the video. Yes, guys, that's true. It deeply cleansed my pores and it removed my oiliness, guys. I have an oily skin and it has removed all of my oil. I would say if you have dry skin, use this face mask once in 2 weeks. If you have oily skin, use this face mask once a week. This is definitely going to give you that nice, freshly cleaned, brightened skin. This has removed my dullness from my skin, which is expected in a clay mask, and it has brightened my skin by removing the dullness. And also, guys, I did apply the remaining face mask on my mom's face, and she also told me that she could feel that slight pulsating effect on her skin. I did not get any redness or any irritation after applying this face mask. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I definitely see myself using this face pack again and again. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I will leave the link in the description box. If you want to purchase it, do try it. It's worth, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Diti, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.